Hello, here's the questions. We know a must be equal to 3 and ab equal to 3. What's the value for a loop must b loop? Can you figure out? Pause the video and find the answer while you are ready. Keep watching the video to get the result. From the given informations, a must be equal to 3, ab equal to 3, and find a loop must be loop. I'm going to aim on a loop must be loop. The formula a loop must be loop equal to quantity a must be multiplies quantity a squared plus ab plus b squared. I'm going to generate quantity a must be squared. Change the second quantity become a squared minus 2ab plus b squared plus 3ab. Then it becomes quantity a must be multiplies quantity a must be squared plus 3ab. Refer to the given information. Substitute a must be by 3 and ab by 3. The equation is 3 multiplied quantity 3 squares plus 3 times 3 equal to 3 times 18 equal to 54. That's the result. Did you figure out? Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.